Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm here with the most important and crucial question that comes into your mind and floods your mind with curiosity. And that is, what are the most important NCRT books that we need for UPSC preparation? So now we will start. This is the first most important NCRT book, that is Modern India by Bipin Chandra, and this is class 12th NCRT book. It is a textbook of class 10th 12th history book, and this is one of the old NCRTs, and now the students are taught new NCRTs, but for UPSC preparation we need only the old NCRTs. And now the second is the medieval history, that is a textbook of class plus 1 for history, and it has been written by Satish Chandra. This is a green cover book, you can identify. This is also one of the old NCRTs, and for medieval you need to solely depend upon this book. So its price is now little costly, not as same as the print price. It includes all the syllabus of medieval history which we need. And now we will move towards the third book, that is the most important history book, that is Ancient India. This is one of the NCRT book, but here I will show you in a printed form. That is not printed, sorry, it's a photocopy form. So you can see it is a book by R.S. Sharma, and this book I bought from Mukherjee Nagar itself, and this is the same version of that book. This is written by Ram Sharan Sharma. So for ancient history you need to rely on this book only. So these were three books: ancient, medieval and modern. Now we will move toward the another subject. So the another subject which we need for NCRT book is economics. So for economics, this is textbook for class plus 1, that is Indian economic development. So this is a very good book for the freshers who are new to the subject economy, who don't know anything about economy. So economics, they can understand basic concepts from this book. This is a very good NCRT book for that, and after reading that after reading this you can go to different advanced books that are available in the market. It's a very good book. It gives you a very precise knowledge of different terminologies, economic terminologies, and it cannot make you perfect, but yes, it can give you a good specific knowledge about the basic concepts of economic subjects. Now the third subject is geography, and for geography we have Fundamentals of Physical Geography, that is a textbook for class plus 1. This is a blue color book, and it gives you the knowledge of geography from scratch. So many times some people say that you need to study geography from 6th to 12th. Sometimes later in any other video we will talk about that what is the importance of the NCRTs from 6th to 10th. But in this video I have brought only those books that are the most important books with UPSC perspective. So what I want to tell you, that you need not to waste your time here and there and just rely on these books. If yet you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it so that you can get informative videos whenever I upload this. The second book is India Physical Environment. This is also a geography book for class plus 1. This is a very beautiful book with a blue cover, and it is meant for environment and various terms. It is also good for the general studies paper and prelims also. Both it is good for both prelims and mains. So these were the two books. Another most important geography book is this India, People and Economy. This is a geography textbook for class 12th. It also explains the demographic structure of India and where different kinds of things are found in which ratio. So it gives you a lot of knowledge. I don't think that after going through these books you will not be able to solve prelims or mains question. So first go through these books and then go to the advanced books. I will like to tell you the contents of this book so that you might understand the importance of these books. So this was India, People and Economy. The last but not the least important book that comes comes in the series is Human Geography, text for class 12th. It is also a geography book, and it tells about human geography of the whole world, and these are its index if you are able to see it. So these were the whole books which I have bought in today's series. So now we will count that how many books are these. We dealt with history, economics, and geography. So now we will count. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these were 8 NCRT books that are most important NCRT books, and along with that I would also refer you the Oxford School Atlas. These are very important. It is very important for you to understand the mapping, understand geography through maps. Only then you will be able to go into the insights. So if yet now you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and please write in the comment whatever you want from me. Thanks a lot and have a nice day.